The Fundamental of Sales in 11 Episodes. Episode 6, 11 Steps to Use Social Proof in Sales. Social proof is a powerful marketing tool that can help increase sales and build trust with potential customers. By showing evidence of others who have purchased and enjoyed your product or service, you can persuade new customers to take the plunge and make a purchase. In this article, we will go over 11 steps to effectively use social proof in your sales strategy. 1. Identify your target audience. Before you can effectively use social proof, you need to identify your target audience. Who are you trying to sell to? What are their needs and wants? What motivates them to make a purchase? Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can tailor your social proof strategy to appeal to them specifically. 2. Gather customer reviews and testimonials. One of the most effective forms of social proof is customer reviews and testimonials. Ask your satisfied customers to leave a review or testimonial on your website, social media pages, or other review sites. Make sure to feature these reviews prominently on your website and in your marketing materials. 3. Highlight influencer endorsements. Influencer marketing has become increasingly popular in recent years. If you have an influencer who has endorsed your product or service, make sure to highlight this in your marketing materials. This can be a powerful form of social proof, as influencers have a large following and can help build trust with potential customers. 4. Showcase user-generated content. User-generated content, such as photos and videos of customers using your product or service, can be a great way to showcase social proof. This type of content shows that real people are using and enjoying your product, which can be very persuasive to potential customers. 5. Display social media followers and engagement. If you have a strong social media presence, make sure to showcase your followers and engagement numbers. This can be a powerful form of social proof, as it shows that your brand is popular and trusted by many. 6. Use case studies and success stories. Case studies and success stories can be a great way to showcase social proof. These stories highlight real-world examples of how your product or service has helped others achieve their goals. Make sure to feature these stories prominently on your website and in your marketing materials. 7. Highlight awards and recognition. If your product or service has won awards or received recognition from reputable sources, make sure to highlight this in your marketing materials. This can be a powerful form of social proof, as it shows that your product or service is highly regarded by experts in your industry. 8. Offer social proof in different formats. Different people respond to different types of social proof. Some may prefer customer reviews, while others may be more persuaded by influencer endorsements or user-generated content. Make sure to offer social proof in different formats to appeal to a wider range of potential customers. 9. Use social proof throughout the sales funnel. Social proof should be used throughout the entire sales funnel, from initial awareness to final purchase. Make sure to include social proof in your advertising, landing pages, product pages, and checkout process. 10. Test and measure your social proof strategy. Like any marketing strategy, it's important to test and measure your social proof strategy to see what works best. Experiment with different types of social proof and different placements to see what resonates most with your target audience. 11. Continuously update your social proof. Finally, it's important to continuously update your social proof strategy. Keep gathering customer reviews and testimonials, and regularly showcase new influencers and user-generated content. This will help keep your social proof strategy fresh and relevant. In conclusion, social proof can be a powerful tool in your sales strategy. By gathering customer reviews and testimonials, highlighting influencer endorsements, showcasing user-generated content, displaying social media followers and engagement, using case studies and success stories, highlighting awards and recognition, offering social proof in different formats, using social proof throughout the sales funnel, testing and measuring your social proof strategy, and continuously updating your social proof. You can build trust with potential customers and increase sales. To be continued. Go to the channel playlists. Episode 7: 11 Steps to Focus on Benefits, Not Features in Sales.